Hey there, science buddies, it's Mr. E, and today for our STEAM activity, we are making a DIY kite. Ooh, look at her go. Okay, so these are the materials you'll need. You're gonna need some newspaper or ads, scissor, yarn, glue, and a lightweight stick. And that's pretty much it. That's all we're gonna need to make our DIY kite. So start by cutting a square, roughly 12 by 12. And you can make it a little bigger, a little smaller, but that's about the right size, I would say. After that, you're gonna glue the sticks on the kite. That's gonna form like the skeleton of your kite. So first start by gluing one in the middle of that square, diagonally, right? And then one that goes on an arch, just like this. It's a little tricky at first, but just stick with it, And that's it. It's gonna be like the body of your kite. You're probably wondering, how does a kite fly anyway, Mr. Ed? Well, it all depends on various factors, but mostly the lift that is created, which is the upward force that pushes the kite into the air. It's generated by the difference in the air pressure, which is created by the air motion over the kite and under the kite, right? Kites are shaped and are at certain angles so that the air moving over the top moves faster than the air moving underneath the kite. But yeah, so it depends on a lot of factors like the weight of your kite. That's why we're using lightweight materials, right? Just paper and like a really light stick. And then the wind, the speed of the wind. So obviously when there's more wind, it's easier to fly a kite. Here is an awesome little graphic that I found online that illustrates how a kite flies due to all these forces affecting it, like the lift, the drag, the weight of the kite, and the wind. Of course, the tension on the string that you're flying the kite with. So after you attach the tail and the little side flippers, it's time to attach the string. So attach it underneath the kite. You're gonna tie it in two spots, right, where the two sticks overlap, and also like 2/3 of the way down, the main one in the middle. And make sure that it's about a foot long, so that you can tie the main string on the middle, and you can adjust it as you go when you're trying to fly it. Alright guys, so let's test our kite and let's see if it flies. Fingers crossed. Let's go. Science buddies, well, that's it for today. I hope you go and build your own DIY kite at home and get out there and have some fun. So join us next time for another DIY STEAM activity.